Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta S, and this is finished in Platinum Grey Metallic, equipped with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Walk you around, show you a little bit about the car, and tell you about anything that stands out to me during the walk around. First up, we'll notice here on the hood is a little bit of scratches up there. I'm sure you can probably see that from the camera. The rest of the bumper's in pretty good shape. A little scratch down here. See that dark line there. 16-inch steel wheels. And the body lines over here on the driver and driver rear door look really good. There is one small mark here. See if you can see that dimple there, that little reflection. And driver rear, great shape. Spots back here on the rear bumper. These will be getting touched up. And a few spots back here on the passenger rear quarter panel. We'll go ahead and get those fixed up as best as possible. And back here at the passenger rear, hubcaps showing a little bit of wear there around the edges on the spokes. Fairly inexpensive to replace those if you'd like. A small little nick on the edge of the door there, and a little bit of scratching down that body line. And finally up here to the passenger front, pretty good shape. You can see it might have caught a curb here. Try to be as transparent as possible. Obviously, we get customers all the time that drive for pretty good distances, Michigan, Tennessee, and even out-of-state people. So don't want someone showing up and saying, "Where'd that come from?" Into the interior here, we've got black and palladium gray cloth interior. The floor mats are on the way, so we've got the rubber floor mats coming for the car. Manual adjustable seats. There's a small stain there on the passenger seat, not very visible, but we'll make sure we made sure that we did the best we could with that. LCD monitor. This does have Bluetooth connectivity. And I'm sorry, I said 6-speed. This is a 5-speed manual gearbox. I apologize. Multifunction steering wheel. And as you can see there, current mileage 31591. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. And we'll post nearly 100 photos of this car on our website at autoassets.com, so please feel free to check that out. Thank you.